Good morning to everyone. We will commence the Invest Teacher ceremony in a few minutes. Before we move forward, we would like to take you through a few general instructions. Kindly mute yourselves, disable your cameras, refrain from raising hands or applying annotations. Chat is disabled. Elected council members, please be ready to enable the camera. A very good morning to one and all present here. We're extremely delighted to welcome all the distinguished guests, parents, teachers, and students on this special occasion. The Invest Teacher ceremony is a proud moment for School of India as we celebrate the indomitable spirit of young, talented leaders by means of virtual Invest Teacher ceremony. Great leaders don't set out to be a leader. They set out to make a difference. It's never about the role, always about the goal. We would like to extend a hearty welcome to the dignitaries present here. Shri K. Rahman Khan, founder and chairman of KKECT. Welcome, sir. Srimati Aisha Rahman Khan, trustee, KKECT. Mr. Maqsood Ali Khan, Mr. Mansoor Ali Khan, founder, School of India. Mrs. Tasbia Khan, director, School of India. All esteemed dignitaries, principals, vice principals, and senior mistresses of our sister concerns, the Delhi Public Schools, DPS North, DPS East, DPS South, DPS Electronic City, DPS Mysore, and School of India, Krishnarajpet. Now, I would like to invite Mahi and Sejal to carry forward the proceedings of the Invest Teacher ceremony.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good morning to one and all gathered here. Investiture ceremony is a traditional observance in School of India, eagerly awaited by our beloved Principal Ramita ma'am, our enterprising coordinators, Shalini ma'am, Meena ma'am, Beena ma'am, our teachers and students. Year after year, it reminds us of the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly elected council, who are chosen in a democratic manner. We, as students, exercise our right to vote and choose them. This experience is vital to students, who in the future will vote to elect the country's leaders. It shapes us into responsible citizens of this great nation. Donning the mantelpiece of responsibility, it is on this day that the elected members of the Student Council all pledge to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities and abide by the rules and regulations of the school.
Dear God, into your hands we place our worries, cares, and troubles. Into your wisdom we place a path, direction, and goals. Into your love we place our lives. To solemnize this special day, we would like to invite our dignitaries to bless our newly elected Student Council.
Om Shanti Shanti
flame, diya, or lamp reminds us all that light will ultimately triumph over darkness.
Classical dance elevates our feelings, makes us speak without words. It is rhythmic, expressive, and elegant. Let's welcome Adrita Ganguly of class 11A, who is here to enchant us with an Odissi-style dance performance.
शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती सरस्वती भगवती
That was truly beautiful, Adrita. Thank you for the mesmerizing dance performance that invoked the boon of knowledge and the blessings of the Almighty. It was a treat for all of us to see the beautiful and green SOI campus, a sight that we dearly miss.
Our principal, Ms. Ramita Ramachandran, needs no introduction. She has made the virtual school a happy place for us by encouraging creativity, building confidence, instilling a lot of learning, and above all, inspiring our dreams. Without much ado, we cordially invite our principal, Ramita ma'am, to address the gathering.
Ma'am, unmute.
I'm sorry. Yeah, thank you, Sejal. The most powerful leadership tool is when you develop an ability to guide others without force into a direction or decision that leaves them still feeling empowered and accomplished. A wonderful morning to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome each and everyone who has found time this Monday morning to bless our children on this special occasion of our virtual investiture ceremony. I consider it my privilege to welcome our founder chairman, Shri K. Rahman Khan sir, a veteran politician in the Indian National Congress who has served as the deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha and honorable former Union Minister of Minority Affairs with a political career of more than 40 years. Chairman sir truly believes in the empowerment of children so that they evolve into nation builders tomorrow. A visionary par excellence, Sir has always guided us with his sagacious words. On behalf of the entire School of India fraternity, I extend a warm welcome to our dear sir. Thank you, sir. I eagerly welcome Mrs. Aisha Rahman Khan, Member Board of Management, DPS Bangalore, Mysore, and School of India. She is a guiding force who always encourages us to excel in everything that we do and instills values within the institution. Namaste, ma'am. A hearty welcome to our founder, Mr. Mansoor Ali Khan, Member Board of Management, KKECT, an ingenious, enterprising captain of this ship called School of India, who has been instrumental in setting up new and high standards of imparting knowledge and modern education, emphasizing on the overall development of the children. Happy to have you, sir. Extending a warm welcome to our director, Mrs. Tasbia Khan, Member Board of Management, DPS Bangalore East, and the founder of Yellow Preschool, Nursery and Daycare. A vivacious leader, Tasbia ma'am has been a go-to person for us, and she easily and simply gives solution constantly to us, supporting us to any kind of situation. Tasbia ma'am, you are our monarch. Thank you, ma'am. A heartfelt welcome to Mr. Maqsood Ali Khan, Secretary KKECT, Member Board of Management, DPS Bangalore, Mysore. Dr. Masood Ali Khan, Trustee KKECT, Member Board of Management, DPS Bangalore, Electronic City. Mr. Atiq Anwar, Chief Administrative Officer, DPS Bangalore, Mysore, and School of India. Mrs. Manila Carvalho, Member Board of Management, School of India, and Principal, DPS Bangalore East. She has been our ever approachable advisor on all matters, curricular, administrative, and strategic. A warm welcome to everyone. A cordial welcome to Mrs. Manju Sharma, Director Academics, DPS Bangalore, Mysore. Mrs. Manju Balasubramaniam, Principal, DPS Bangalore North. Mrs. Anupama Ramachandra, Principal, DPS Bangalore Electronic City. Mrs. Mary George, Principal, School of India, KRPET. Mrs. Renu Dimri, Principal, DPS Bangalore West. Mrs. Namrata Sharma, DPS Mysore. Mrs. Geeta Kandaraji, Vice Principal, DPS Bangalore North. Mrs. Preeti Suta, Vice Principal, DPS Bangalore East. And Mrs. Priya Mattu, Headmistress, DPS Bangalore South. Thanks a lot to everyone for gracing this occasion. Beloved students, until you are a leader, success is about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. The true spirit of leadership lies in your ability to inspire, nurture, and set an example to your peers. The supreme quality of leadership is unquestionably integrity. Leadership is not about power or title or designation. It's all about impact and influence. Impact involves getting results. Influence is about spreading the passion you have for your goal. Dear children, I have 3 prime insights today to share with you. Firstly, when we are here amidst our esteemed dignitaries, I advise you to gain inspiration from their growth and determination. The perseverance that they have displayed, but yet very humble and kind to everyone around them, even after reaching greater heights in their life. Secondly, I would like to tell you to not compare or compete with anyone else, but with yourself. Get better every single day. Break your own record because no competition is harder than the one which you have with yourself. I know it's not a cakewalk, but you have to constantly train your mind and listen to your inner voice. Concentrate on maximizing your potential and unleashing your inner energy. Lastly, make a difference. Make a difference in someone's life. It could be as simple as giving away a refreshing smile. You never know how much that person was in need of it. So, on the same lines, without much ado, I would like to inform and at this juncture, seek everyone's attention as we happily announce the launch of our student-driven project, Each One, Teach One, an idea to touch lives and make a difference. Uma ma'am, can we have the visuals? I have no doubt that this year there will be greater manifestation and the student council will set an example and impress their fellow students by inspiring them to raise high the School of India banner. Be happy, children. I'm much humbled to invite our dearest chairman, sir, to share his thoughts and address the student council. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, Mrs. Ramita Ramachandran, Principal, School of India, Mr. Mansoor Ali Khan, Founder, School of India, Mrs. Tasbih Khan, Director, School of India, Mr. Atiq Anwar, Administrative Officer, KKECT, teachers, newly inducted office bearers of School of India, of the Student Council, parents, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to all of you. I first congratulate the newly inducted office bearers of the School of India Student Council 21-22. Education should be inclusive. Education is not just learning from a set of syllabus and subjects and answering them in the exam and passing with distinction is not complete education. Education is inclusive means you should learn the other requirement and aspect of life as a human being, because it is human being who assumes certain roles and certain responsibilities in a society. We all live in a civilized society. society needs direction. Direction comes from leadership. Leadership is not just anybody can be a leader. Leaders should have first a good training, a vision, a positive thinking, and the ability to take everybody together. And to take everybody together, one has to have certain basic ingredients like humility, positive approach, friendship, and to accommodate, the spirit of accommodate, and giving up the ego. These are various qualities which is required in a leadership. Leadership, school education is the only basic education where you learn all these aspects. The moment you leave school education, you will going to be addressing the acquiring knowledge in the branches which you have chosen to put in rest of your life. So you will all be busy and you will have no time to acquire those knowledge which is essential for a society to be a leader, to work, to be a successful human being, a successful man, a successful, whatever field you choose, to be successful, you should, in addition to the knowledge of the subject, you should acquire various other knowledges, other skills which you have to develop, without which you will not be successful in life. That can be that all such things will have to be learned only at the school level, where we call it is a basic learning institution. School education is the foundation for the future, for the success of any individual, any man. So it is a good thing that every schools now are adopting a procedure, democratic procedure, which is called a student council. Student council is nothing but an elected few to perform various activities and lead them on the different different fields like leadership, like sports captain, literary captain, cultural captain, various things. These are all fields which one has to learn during the school education, and to learn that there should be a standard, there should be a leadership who can lead. There can be only one leader for any activity. For a school, a headmaster, a principal is the leader. He or she leads the school. A classroom, a teacher is the leader who leads the boys and girls in this student. So similarly, the student council, the head boy, head prefect, whatever you call, or head girl or head prefect, whatever you call, they are entrusted with the responsibility of the entire management of the various extracurricular activities, which is not part of your academic study. The teachers will be busy in enriching you academically, but the student councils will be busy with enriching you with the other faculties which is required in your life. So leaders have to be created and they have to be trained. This is the first stage of training of leadership. You see, we need leaders, political leaders we lead cultural leaders, we lead social leaders, we lead NGO leaders who can lead NGOs, who can look after the welfare of the people. Because society should be inclusive. We are not living in an island. We live in a culture society. We should incorporate certain values of life, values of human, because first of all, we should understand, every one human being should understand he is the first human. Humanity is his religion. They may belong to different religion, but humanity is the only religion to which he belongs and accountable and responsible. So we should inculcate the human values. Without human values, you may be anybody. You may be an astronaut. You may invent anything. But if you don't have human values, basic human values in you, you are nothing but a brute. You may be a rich man, you may be a scientist, you may be whatever it is. But without human value, you have no place in the human society. You will not be respected and you will not be useful. So that is why if you see the motto of school, the DPS, service before self. That means a leader is one who makes service his motto, and self, he completely discards self. A leader is one who should not have any ego in him. He should not have any anger with him. He should understand each person, each segment whom he wants to lead. Because every leader should understand every man is not identical. Thinking is not identical. His views are not identical. But in a collectiveness, he should have the goal is there. As the principal just said, the goal, you should set a goal. So every activity will have a goal. And the important thing is to achieve that goal. And that is one thing which is a leader should always inculcate and take forward. He should be humble. Humility, by humility, students and boys and girls, you can win this society, you can win the world. So these are all the characters which you have to learn in the school while you are studying your subjects, whether you are a science student, whether you are an art student, whether you are a student of humanities, commerce, whatever it is your field. And that will not suffice for you to be a good human being, a perfect man who will be useful to society. You have to inculcate various other things. There is humility, remove your ego, remove your anger, and respect elders. These are all requirements of a society. See, the modern day, we are forgetting our values. These are all combined together are called values of life. And today, because we are not giving importance to the values and we are going importance, you have taken 100%, 90%, 98%, and you want to become a doctor, you want to become an engineer, you want to become a pilot. That is, no doubt, it is very important. That is your goal, it should be there. But at the same time, if you don't inculcate humility, respect, egoism, whatever you may be your academic excellence, you take it from me, you will never succeed in life. So these are the things which a leadership will help. A leader will take you right. If he has got these qualities, he can lead. Every leader, because we have a perception that only political leaders or religious leaders are only leaders. We don't consider others are leaders. A captain of the sport team of India going to Olympics, he is a leader of that sports. So every field we need leader. Even in a house, the father of the head of the family, the father, he is the leader of the family. Mother is the leader of the household. Leaders doesn't mean that you have to be very big name and all that. Leader is leader's quality to take everybody together. I'm happy that in the difficult circumstances, when the whole world is facing epidemic, we have inculcated the habit of accepting challenges. Nobody knew that we get into this situation. The world will get into this situation. Campus is closed, where friends cannot meet. We cannot go out. So we are living in a certain conditions, which is a challenge, and by God's grace, the society, the whole humanity has accepted the challenge and faced the challenge in spite of a catastrophe that has taken place. Now, nobody can even visualize, no parents could have visualized that a day will come when we will be talking virtually, we'll be speaking virtually, we'll be learning virtually. So this has happened. And the leadership and the the quality a human has developed, we have faced this. Education is going on. Examinations are going on. You have not come to a standstill. Your progress has not come to standstill. No doubt, certain things we miss. We have to sacrifice one thing to get another thing. So here, as a human beings, we are sacrificing a lot, but we are learning a lot. The learning is facing the challenge. So I am happy. School of India is a very, very emerging educational institution with values and good standards. And I congratulate the teachers for maintaining these standards and also giving the students and bringing students in other aspects of life and by various activities which they are taking. I wish all the new student council members, head boys, head girl, and various captains of the various wings of the cultural activities, and also the teachers and the principal who are putting their best to train all of you. Wish you all the best. I wish the Student Council 2021 of School of India a success. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring address and valuable message. Leaders should have good vision, positive thinking, and to take everyone together to greater heights. As sir mentioned, these skills can only be learnt at school level. The purpose of Student Council, which is chosen democratically, was made crystal clear by you, sir. Being human with a good set of values comes first. Our Student Council will surely emulate the example set by your esteemed self, and our students will resonate with your thoughts and follow your words. Thank you, sir.
I'd like to welcome Anita Brijesh, ma'am, Principal, DPS Bangalore South. Thank you for joining us, ma'am. Yeah, we can continue, ma'am.
We now invite our friends from the school choir to present a song that conveys a strong message. Never stop doing little things for others. Sometimes those little things occupy the biggest part of their lives. Here they are presenting the iconic number, We Are the World.
There comes a time when we hear a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own life. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me.
performance by our talented friends. We are sure everyone present in this ceremony felt the depth of emotion in that song.
Thank you, Sejal. Now, I would like to invite our director, Mrs. Tasbia Khan, to address the gathering. Welcome, Tasbia, ma'am.
Good morning, esteemed audience. It gives me great pleasure to address you all on this august occasion. The investiture ceremony is an occasion of celebration as we witness our children involved in effective leaders. At School of India, which today is a center with high expectations and high standards, we strive towards molding our children into nation builders of tomorrow. School of India secured a top position amongst the best CBSE schools in the survey as a part of Times Education Excellence Award 2020. Our mission is to create happy and excited learning spaces with the state-of-art infrastructure. The award is recognizing our endeavor towards preferring quality education so that our children excel both in scholastic and post-scholastic arenas. We believe in fostering a strong value system and facilitate the evolution of our children to become the means of progressive thought process. On behalf of the management, I would like to express my delight at the progress our school has made and also thank you, dear parents, for your unsustained support and cooperation. We hope to seek new vistas of learning and design a unique curriculum that will cater to the needs of 21st century learners. Thank you.
Thank you, Tasbia, ma'am. Striving to make our children nation builders. Yes, that's exactly what School of India is doing. Thank you very much, Tasbia, ma'am. Now, I would like Mahi and Sejal to carry forward the proceedings of the ceremony.
This year, the student council elections were held digitally, and an online polling was conducted for students of classes 7 to 12 to cast their votes and elect their leaders. The process began with the call for nominations from students who desired to be a part of this prestigious council. An online filing of nominations took place, wherein each student could file nominations for 2 most preferred posts after they had signed off on the terms and conditions and submitted an undertaking. A teacher panel then scrutinized the nominations and selected the best suited candidates for posts, and the final candidates list was posted. A first round of elections was held to elect the school captain, vice captain, sports captain, and sports vice captain. A second round followed, where the voter pool went to vote to elect the house captains and vice captains. Members of the councils were then selected by the teacher panel, and the final list of student council members was announced to the entire school.
We now proceed to the vesting of duties to our newly elected student council for the academic year 2021-22. School captain Kritika Bhattacharjee. She is the school topper in class 10 board exams, securing 96.8% and has secured rank 4 in state and the 4th rank in national level spelling. She visited NASA in 2017 and attended astronaut program at Kennedy Space Center. She has learned Bharatanatyam for 3 years and passed Adya and Madhya exams with distinction. It was also selected as the most liked artwork in the online art contest. Well done, Ritika.
School Vice Captain, Akash Sai Natrajan Gokalnath. He has been a student of SOI since the 8th grade and believes that he has the potential to make a difference and make the school a better place. As for his achievements, he was awarded for Trinity College Cuttack KM Conservatory Certificate, Abacus Level 8. He is an active participant in MUN sessions and has represented the school in Green Hackathon. Best of luck, Akash.
Sports captain Vinesh Suresh. Given his readiness for work, he believes he can take SOI to greater depth. He has won multiple Olympiad medals. He was one of the Green Hackathon finalists. He has been a part of team that won the POTM Bhopalan Cricket Cup and KSCA Club Championship team, and was also the captain of cricket team that moved up a division. He has also been a BYJU'S aptitude test winner. Congratulations, Binish.
Sports Vice Captain, Varun Vishwanathan. He is good at problem solving, logical thinking, and is a good gamer. Silver medalist in Xmas International Cup, conducted by Basketball Federation of Berlin Under-12 Silver, and Under-12 World Mixed Team versus Germany Silver. He has also played against teams from Denmark, Poland, USA, and Netherlands. He is a blue belt too in Kung Fu. Has secured first place in dance competition and served as Sports Council member in 2020-21. Best wishes, Varun.
Naitik Mahesh. We would like to announce our newly elected student coordinator, Naitik Mahesh, who will serve as a part of Student Council 2021-22 and coordinate between various councils. Naitik is one of our toppers in the CBSE Class 10 board exams. He has served as the house captain of Agni House and has several Olympiad medals to his credit. He is also a state rank holder in the Inter-School GK quiz competition. Way to go, Naitik.
Now, we would like to take you through the 4 houses at SOI, each representing one of nature's basic elements. We would like to invite Agni House Mistress, Ms. Shubhangi Vardhan, who will take us through the significance of her house and introduce the captain and vice captain of the house.
Good morning, everyone. Agni symbolizes the element of fire. The house color is orange, which represents raw energy, power, and the purity of natural element. Now, I proudly announce Agni House Captain Ankur Ahuja from Class 10.
Agni House Captain Ankur Ahuja, who is energetic, confident, and fearless for any new challenge and believes in teamwork. As for his achievements, he has been awarded Man of the Match in 2019, participated thrice in IIMUN, has secured a certificate of completion in Future Champs Level 1, online fitness assessment and development by Nations Academy in association with PEFI Karnataka, has secured 88% in Level 2 keyboard, Trinity School of London, and second position in Inter-House music competition. Congratulations, Ankur.
Agni House Vice Captain Sai Kritan from Class 9.
Agni House Vice Captain Sai Kritan Yedidi. He has the capacity to balance academics and extracurricular activities and make time for himself. At the age of 12, he managed to make it to the Under-16 cricket team. KSCA League Under-16 team from SOI has won 3 Man of the Match trophies and 3 signed cricket balls as rewards. Title winner team from SOI who won the BTR trophy, Man of the Match award for a hat-trick and 17 wickets. Hussain Cup Best Bowler and Most Valuable Player, selected to play the KSCA Interzonal Tournament representing Bangalore. Well done, Kritan.
We would now like to invite Jal House Mistress, Ms. Prachi Bisht, who will introduce the house and the elected captain and vice captain.
Good morning, everyone. Jal, representing the element water, the life source and the gushing spring of existence. This house has blue as its color. And now I proudly announce Jal House Captain Nishchay Agarwal from Class 10.
Jal House Captain Nishchay Agarwal, an all-rounder who was appointed as House Vice Captain in 2020-21. He was also a part of the SOI football team and basketball team. Spelby Excellence Award on the state level, NIIT N Guru Mathematician 2nd place, Times NIE Aptitude Test Class Topper 2018-19, NSO Gold Medal 2019-20, Inter-House Pick and Speak Competition, 3rd place. World Music Day, 1st place, Instrumental. Participant in Green Hackathon 2017. NPS SciQuest, Greenwood High Wissen, SK Silicon Spectrum, IIMUN DPS East, Modern Parliament DPS East, and NBA Juniors with School Team 2019-20. Kudos, Nishya.
Jal House Vice Captain Anika Agarwal from class 9th.
Jal House Vice Captain Anika Agarwal, a dedicated student who is extremely approachable and not only aspires to come up with new and innovative ideas for house competitions, but is also willing to encourage participation in fellow students and lend a helping hand to those in need. As for her achievements, she has co-authored a book and an IEO international rank holder. She also secured first rank in Cambridge English exam, first place in online music competition and inter-school literary competitions. All the best, Anika.
We would now like to call upon Ms. Neetu Khanna, the house mistress of the Prithvi House, to kindly present the elected members of her house.
Good morning, everyone. Prithvi, our Mother Earth, the ever-patient, bountiful land that we exist upon, represented in green. Prithvi evolves out of each of the 4 elements. I'm proud to announce Prithvi House Captain Bhamini V from class 10.
Prithvi House Captain Bhamini V. She has been an avid participant in all house activities since a long time and has a detailed understanding of her house and its values. As for her achievements, she has been an international rank holder at number 7 in Spelby and at state level rank number 18 in Spelby 2019. She has been awarded National Level 2 English Olympiad certificates and a runner-up in Secrets of Zimpagua's story writing runner-up. Lead the way, Bhamini.
We have now Prithvi House Vice Captain Manya Parmar from class 9.
Prithvi House Vice Captain Manya Parmar. She has been an active member of her house and has coordinated many house activities with her seniors online as well as offline. She has always been a core member of her house and won many cultural competitions. She has secured first position in inter-school kabaddi, second position in running relay race, second position in 100 meters running race, and first position in inter-house group dance competition. Congrats, Manya.
We would now like to invite Vayu House Mistress, Ms. Anuradha Tripathi, who will introduce the house and elected captains.
Very good morning, one and all present here. Vayu, the element of space in bright purple. The concept of Vayu or air is synonymous with that of prana or life energy. Now I am very proud to announce our Vayu House Captain Priyanshi from class 10.
Vayu House Captain Priyanshi. She realizes her responsibility towards her goals, work, school, teachers, and ultimately towards our society. She possesses leadership qualities and intends to work with full cooperation and collaboration. She is straightforward and very attentive. As for her achievements, silver medal in GoPrep Talent Search Exam 2020, gold medal in Show Off Your Pet 2021, participant in Diplomathon Global Industry Edition 2020, 4th Inter-School Patna Goju Ryu Karate Do Competition 2015, silver medal, Prachin Kala Kendra Chitra Bhushan Part 1, 1st Division. She has won several inter-house competitions. Best of luck, Priyanshi.
We have Vayu House Vice Captain Anvita Rajesh Nayak from class 9.
Vayu House Vice Captain Anvita Nayak. She aims at implementing communication within school as a way to bridge the gap between students and teachers. As a person, she is approachable and believes that she has the confidence to follow through with her plans. She is hardworking and dedicated. She has secured first place in inter-school literary competition, participated in inter-school verbatim competition 2020. She is learning Kathak, going to appear for first year exams. Way to go, Anvita.
We will be continuing with the vesting of badges after a mime and dance presentation by the students of grades 6 to 9. The COVID pandemic has led to a dramatic loss in human life worldwide and presents an unprecedented challenge to public health, food systems, and the world of work. The economic and social disruption caused by the pandemic is devastating. Nevertheless, the pandemic has also affected educational systems worldwide, leading to a near total closure of schools. It is heart-wrenching to know that approximately 825 million learners are currently affected due to school closures in response to the pandemic. The impact was more severe for disadvantaged children and their families, causing interruption in learning, compromised nutrition, childcare problems, and consequent economic cost to families who could not work. School of India has always stood by students and is tirelessly working to ensure a continuous learning process so that they can stay safe at home without getting affected by the life-threatening virus. A magician makes the visible invisible, and a mime makes the invisible visible. Now, let's put our hands together for a dance and mime presentation by students of class 6 to 9.
Yeah. Yo, listen up now, who's out? Till the bell ring. Then I got hoga, I'ma do my thing. I'ma be rich, dressed in bling. I'ma spread ish and make you sing.
कोई कोई आंखों में जो मीठे मीठे सपने क्या ये दिल करे पहले पहले दिन की ये नई नई सुबह आओ चल करे भूलेंगे हम तो नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी सुन के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 सीखेंगे हम ये नहीं है क्या गलत क्या सही सुन के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना ना ना।
As of this morning, there have been 571 cases.
At the conference today, they gave the virus a name, COVID-19, coronavirus disease.
बात मेरी सारे लोग ध्यान से सुनना, मम्मी पापा दादा दादी मुन्नी या मुन्ना, हमारी ईगो कुछ ज्यादा उठी हुई है, नेचर भी इसीलिए रूठी हुई है, गले लगाना हाथ मिलाना सब छोड़ रही है, पब्लिक दुनिया भर की अब हाथ जोड़ रही है, हाथ जोड़ना बोले तो नमस्ते नमस्ते, तुम भी सब करो ना फिर खुल जाएंगे रास्ते, नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते।
Some form of lockdown.
लॉकडाउन कर दिया गया है।
Locked up in the lockdown. We're locked up in the lockdown. We're locked up in the lockdown. Ain't nothing going on 'cause we're locked up in the lockdown. We're locked up in the lockdown. Locked up in the lockdown. Ain't nothing. day.
Reporting the latest educational news. It is a very good news for all the students. Our education department has announced that online classes will commence with immediate effect.
के जी लिए एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na.
Stay safe. Stay together. Help each other. Let's fight together.
Thank you, friends. That was indeed magical and heart-touching. We enjoyed every bit of it. It will be our endeavor as students of School of India to help our fellow human beings. Taking inspiration from our chairman, sir, we pledge to do our bit in ensuring that no student is left behind during these trying times.
Carrying on to the second half of the ceremonial vesting of badges and duties to the Student Council 2021-22. We request everyone to kindly enable speaker view on your systems for optimal viewing of the proceedings to come. Literary Council. We now introduce the Literary Council members of this academic year. The responsibilities entrusted on this council include organizing literary events and competitions such as debates, quizzes, elocution, etc., collating and editing the prestigious annual school magazine, SOIL, penning the speeches for comparing various events in school and contributing to the annual day scripts. They will also coordinate inter-school literary competitions hosted by the school. Literary Council President Raima Shihab. She was the semi-finalist in Presidency Spelling Bee and the winner of Poetry Recitation and Story Writing. All the best, Raima. Vice President Harshini Priya V. Gold Medal in IO. Best Delegate in IIMUN. In the Mono Acting Competition in NPS First Prize. Way to go, Harshini. Literary Council members. Anne Elizabeth. Ekantika Singh. Parvi Tiwari. Kusmanjali M. Paviana Das. Smriti Nigam. Sri Lanka Sajid. And Sri Skanda Gunda. Good job, guys.
Cultural Council. SOI Cultural Council will be responsible for coordinating cultural activities throughout the academic year. Active participation in and inter-house competition, identification of talent and coordinating with teachers for inter-school events, school special assemblies, as well as the annual day programs will be part of their portfolio. We now introduce the Cultural Council members. President, Manya Varma, a graceful dancer. She has completed Bhushan in Kathak with distinction from Prachin Kala Kendra and winner of the Koshan Style Award. Best wishes, Manya. Vice President, Rashik Pal, Times NIE First Prize winner, winner in art and dance competitions in school, silver medalist, print in Sherwood High. Congratulations, Vishnu. Council member, Adya Mishra. Bhuvan Katta. Niti Utang Dutt. Nikita Naina. Pranaya Ramesh Babu. Samyukta S. Iyengar. Yashasvi. Wishing you all the very best.
Sports Council. The Sports Council will help organize inter-house sports events within the inter-school sports competitions hosted by the school. During the pandemic, their focus will also be on creating awareness about gender fitness and conducting sports activities through the year. Introducing the members of the Sports Council. Sports Coordinator Ashnil Shivaram. Runner-up in the West Chennai Sahodaya Clusters Under 14. Winner Shine Sports Promotion Academy Under 15. 2 times Orchids International School Inter-School winner. Part of Chennai FC Junior Squad. Well done, Ashnil. Sports Council members, Ayan Mohammed, Bhavika H. Reddy, Diya Rivankar, Kiran Kumar M, Mohit K, Pratham Agarwal, Agarwal, Sri Charan Sai Gajula, and Suryanshu Banerjee. Congrats to all of you.
Discipline Council. The Discipline Council is in charge of overall discipline in the school and will liaison with the teachers to ensure that discipline is maintained at the school during breaks, events, in the school bus, cafeteria, playground, and during school events proceedings. President Varsha Ramesh, 93.8% in 10th grade CBSE board exams, Certificate of Recognition for essay writing on the topic Conservation of Water from News 18 network conducted by our government under Atma Nirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Gold medal French Olympiad, gold medal in International English Olympiad exam, gold medal in Spelby 2018. Cheers, Varsha. Vice President Rachna Saraswati, SciQuest 2019 runner-up, Science Spectrum 2019 third place, Regional Amesa Competition 2015 winner. Lead the way, Rachna. Council members Adi Varma, Abhyudit S. Vardarajan, Arun Kumar M. Dhruva Jain, Harshit GB, Rohan Vinay Singh,
डिस्प्ले किसको करना है?
डिस्प्ले हो मैम।
Naina MK, Tarjisa SP. Cheers to all of you.
IT Council. The IT Council is entrusted the responsibility to record the events of the school during the academic year and collating the audio, video, and photographs. They will also be responsible to identify and recommend priorities for initiatives in information technology, such as educating their fellow students about cyber safety. President Utkarsh Kumar Pandit, 4th place in Microsoft Office Specialist, Rajya Puraskar Scout Awardee, qualifies in 2 advanced MS Office workshops and an Avid coder. All the best, Utkarsh. Vice President Yash Sarogi, winner of Inter-School Hackathon Challenge DPS South, Tinkathon 2nd place, Atal Lab Competition 3rd place, Web Designing 3rd place in DPS South. He has won the state level competition of online gaming. Congratulations, Yash. IT Council members Abhyuday Racha, Ayush Datatre R, Bhavya Singh Devra, K.R. Gopi Krishna, Rizul Srivastava, Shreya Rajesh, Shri Sai Divyesh Basa, and Umeshwar Kumar Pandit. Kudos to all the members.
The Art Council. The Art Council will coordinate their efforts for inter-house art competition and in selecting the best art contribution, school magazines and newsletters. It is also their responsibility to design posters, backdrops, etc. for all school events. Introducing the Art Council members. President, Trisha Mulry. First place in the photography competition. She's completed 2 internships related to graphic design and COVID awareness. Participated in hackathons, social service campaigns, and late cleaning drives. She was invited to perform a play in a government school. Way to go, Trisha. Vice President, Shireen Rennie. Participant in All India Design Competition by My Master Strokes. 5th place in Math Olympiad. A round of applause to Shireen. Council members. Yanaz I. Tinmaker. Niranjana Anant Krishnan. Tahana S. Ganesh. Shraddha Vinayak Bhatt. Vinati Venkatesh. Varshita S. Gowda. Yogita Bhushan. Hats off to all of you.
Appreciation is the highest form of prayer, for it acknowledges the presence of good whenever you shine the light of your thankful thoughts. Dear audience, you will now witness the much anticipated oath-taking ceremony by our newly elected leaders with the promise that they would carry out their duties with integrity, faith, and excellence. We invite our principal to administer the oath to the elected SOI Student Council 2021-22.
Oath position, children. I promise to represent.
I promise to represent
And serve my fellow students.
and serve my fellow students
To the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
In cooperation with teachers and staff.
In cooperation with teachers and staff
And other prefects of the school.
and other prefects of the school.
I will set an example.
I will set an example
In all walks of school life.
in all walks of school life.
I will adopt
I will adopt
an active leadership role
an active leadership role
within the school
within the school
and encourage
and encourage
the extension of the school spirit and tone.
the school spirit and tone.
I promise to abide by all the rules
I promise to abide by all the rules
and regulations of the school
and regulations of the school
and conduct myself
and conduct myself
in a manner that is
in a manner that is
keeping with the tradition
keeping with the tradition
of this great institution.
of this great institution.
I will be fully committed
I will be fully committed
to all that the school stands for
to all that the school stands for
and to strive
and to strive
and achieve
and achieve
the best of my abilities.
the best of my abilities.
Hands down.
Thank you, Ramita ma'am.
We now invite Ritika Bhattacharjee, our school captain for the academic year 2021-22, to deliver the formal acceptance of the council's vested duties.
A very warm welcome to our respected dignitaries, our chairman Rahman Khan sir, Aisha ma'am, Maqsood sir, founder Mansoor Khan sir, Dr. Masood, our director Tasbia ma'am, our beloved principal Ramita ma'am, principals of our sister concerns, DPS schools and School of India KRPET, vice principals, senior mistresses, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. The last time I addressed everybody, I was contesting for our school elections. And now here we are at the investiture ceremony. I would like to start off by expressing my gratitude to my mentors and my fellow students who have shown immense faith in me by voting for me as their school captain. I would also like to congratulate all the deserving council members who have been elected and nominated for their respective posts. As I take a pledge to fulfill my duties as a school captain, I commit myself towards working together with my fellow council members and putting our best efforts to uphold the legacy of this school. These are unprecedented times where all our learning has shifted to a virtual platform. And as a student myself, I do understand how tough it can be. But we must keep our spirits high and be positive, for there is light at the end of the tunnel. To look back over the last 2 years or so and think about how drastically our lives have changed. Teachers, parents, and students alike have worked very hard and continued to put up a fight against this pandemic. Therefore, this year, the Student Council of School of India pledges to take the front seat. We will make sure to obey and uphold the rules of this school, become effective leaders, and set an example for all our peers and juniors. I, on behalf of the Student Council, seek the cooperation and support of my fellow students and also the guidance and blessings of the teachers in making this academic year a successful one. The Council is a great platform for us to hone our leadership skills. It gives us a chance to pay back a small part of all that the school has given us through the years. The Student Council of School of India will make sure that we become the leaders everyone wishes to have. By working as a team, I believe we can take School of India to new heights and ventures. Once again, I, Ritika Bhattacharjee, your school captain for the academic year 2021-22, would like to sign off by saying that the Student Council understands that you have entrusted us with our responsibilities, and we will work to the best of our abilities to make sure that we don't let you down. Stay safe, thank you, and have a great day.
Thank you, Ritika. The management, principal, and staff of School of India wishes you and the entire council the very best for the year ahead.
Next up, we have a musical performance by the winners of the Cool Dance singing competition held during the Father's Day, during the Father's Day celebrations. Okay, the talent we witnessed during this event was truly amazing. Our parents are indeed really cool and enthusiastic. We thank each participant, and we have the winners of the competition presenting a special dedication to the newly elected Student Council. We would like to mention that they have penned the lyrics, composed the tune, and performed this song to motivate our young leaders.
Cool to be good, polite and humble. Get up if you tumble,
Respect, don't rumble. It's cool to be good, polite and humble. Get up if you tumble. Respect, don't rumble. It's cool to care. Donate and share. Just love, don't hate. Your life will be great. Dream big and chase them. Work hard, go get them. Dream big and chase them. Work hard, go get them. Always help, don't expect differences. Just accept life is a journey, singing and dancing, keep on smiling. Always help, don't expect differences. Just accept life is a journey, full of learning, keep on thriving. It's cool to care, donate and share. Just love, don't hate. Your life will be great. Dream big and chase them. Work hard, go get them. Dream big and chase them. Work hard, go get them.
A big round of applause for our cool dads. Thank you. That was absolutely enthralling.
We would now like to call upon our newly elected school vice captain, Akash Sai Natrajan Gopalnath, to deliver the vote of thanks.
A very good morning, respected dignitaries, principal ma'am, parents, teachers, and my fellow students. I consider it a privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the Student Council of the academic year 2021-22 on this momentous occasion. I would like to first start by thanking our management for providing the infrastructure and support for us to have quality education even during trying times like these. It is the guidance, support, and direction that we receive from our dear chairman, Shri K. Rahman Khan, our founder, Mr. Mansoor Ali Khan, and our director, Mrs. Tasbih Khan, that holds us in good stead and shows us the path we need to chisel for ourselves. Thank you, dear sir and ma'am, for your gracious presence and blessings. We express our gratitude to Mrs. Aisha Rahman Khan, Trustee KKECT, to Mr. Maqsood Ali Khan, Secretary KKECT, Member Managing Committee DPS Bangalore and Mysore, and to Dr. Masood Ali Khan, Trustee KKECT, Member Managing Committee DPS Electronic City for their gracious presence here today. We would like to thank the principals, vice principals, and senior mistresses of our sister concerns, the DPS schools, and SOI KRPED for their valued presence here today, which boosts our confidence and morale. Behind every one of our successful events are the manifold efforts of our principal, Ramita ma'am, and our coordinators. Thanks to our house mistresses, as well as our overall house in charge, Sapna ma'am, for coordinating this event. Our thanks are also due to Uma ma'am for planning, putting together this virtual visual treat we witnessed today, and for all the audio, video editing, and technical support. We also thank our beloved teachers for giving us quality education in spite of many constraints. They have provided us with a home away from home, a second family that we all have come to rely upon. We also express our gratitude to the selection panel of teachers whose invaluable inputs were crucial in the council election process. Our thanks are also due to Naresh sir and Yogesh sir for the immersive dance mime choreography and for getting the dancers to bring out the emotions portrayed, not just in the performers, but also from the viewers. Thanks to our new music teacher, Ayushi ma'am, for reinventing our school anthem so beautifully. A big round of applause to our awesomely cool dads. We're so touched that they have written, composed, and performed an original number, Dream Big, for all of us. Thank you, dear parents. We would like to thank the admin staff for relentlessly facilitating logistics and communication. We would also like to express our gratitude to the entire team for constantly improving our learning management platform with newer features and better performance. We cannot be here and be who we are today without the umbrella of security that our parents have provided for us. It is their upbringing, the clarity in thought, and the ability to differentiate the right from wrong that they have instilled in us that has honed our character and made us worthy of the responsibilities vested on our shoulders here today. A heartfelt thanks to every single person who's contributed to the success of this program today. A huge shout out to our fellow students and peers for reposing your trust in us by giving us this opportunity to lead and set a precedent which they will better year after year. Without any one amongst these people in our lives, we will not be who we are today. Gratitude is the golden frame through which we can view the meaning of life. And to each one of you who have molded us, we say thank you. I wish you all a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you, Akash. We now request everyone to take position for our school anthem, which will be followed by the national anthem.
Raise high, School of India banner, hold up our nation's ideals. Justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, onward towards our goal. A school of wisdom, diversity, independence, a school of happiness. We stand as one, we act as one, raise our School of India banner, raise our School of India banner.
All our races, natural age of victory within, face trials with grace, the light of learning, love and forgiveness to make our world a better place.
We stand as one, we act as one, raise our School of India banner, raise our School of India banner. Raise high the School of India banner, hold up our nation's ideals. Justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, onward towards our goal. A school of wisdom, diversity, independence, a school of happiness. We stand as one, we act as one, raise our School of India banner, raise our School of India banner, raise our School of India banner.
We request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you one and all for your patience and precious time. We are extremely glad to have you all here today to celebrate hard work and success. Furthermore, we appreciate your valuable time and patience you have shown today. Additionally, we would like to thank our guest, Shri K. Rahman Khan Sir, Srimati Aisha Rahman Khan Ma'am, Mr. Maqsood Ali Khan Sir, Mr. Mansoor Ali Khan Sir, Dr. Masood Ali Khan Sir, Mrs. Tasbia Khan Ma'am, all esteemed dignitaries, the principals, vice principals and senior mistresses of our sister concerns, the Delhi Public Schools, DPS North, DPS East, DPS South, DPS Electronic City, DPS Mysore and School of India, Krishnarajpet, for giving their valuable time and for adding that extra sparkle to our event. On behalf of School of India, we wish you every happiness, success, and peace.
Thanks to you too, Shweta. Thank you, Sejal and Mahi. Thank you everyone for being here with us. We come to the end of the program.
We would like to request student council members to stay on for a group photograph. Thank you.
Thank you, Anupama ma'am.
Student council, kindly enable your cameras. Teachers, please do come on camera.
Thank you, everyone.
I'm clicking the pictures now. Please look up at the camera. Thank you. Mahi, do enable your camera, please. Umeshwar. Shweta ma'am. Yes. Thank you. Clicking. Do smile. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations
ma'am.
to
Thank you,
everyone
ma'am.
once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, you all
Thank
can leave the meeting now.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, Ramita, ma'am.
Bye, dear. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss. Bye. Have a great day. See you next time.
You too. You too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
All the teachers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank
And
you, teacher.
Ramita, congratulations to you and your
Anu,
new
ma'am.
team
Yes,
of
sir.
office bearers. And I'm
Thank you
logging
so
out
much, Anu
now.
ma'am. I called out for your name. I saw your name. I think the students, only some of them are there.
No, that's okay. I actually was in a meeting with Dr. Khan in between. But
Okay.
lovely program, well organized, and congratulations.
Can you see my PPT?
Thank you, Anu ma'am. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Thank you for staying for all this while.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Good
you.
afternoon, all of you.
So, children, that is Anupama ma'am, Principal DPS Electronic City. Yeah. Thank you. Well done. Clap for yourselves. Yay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
We will meet soon and this thing will be streamed. We will see probably tomorrow, most probably. We'll let you know the timing. Uma ma'am, if all the parents and the dignitaries have left, then we could also end the session.
Yes, ma'am. I think everyone has left.